Hi, in this video we'll continue to make a nice intro by using the bubbles we've made in the previous video. For starting, let's select these two fields by pressing Ctrl and A and delete them. We'll prepare the background. So right click, then choose Format Background. Then from the menu that opens, I choose this blue color. Then I close this panel. I go to Insert to add the first text. I write, for example, www.mysite.com. Then center the text. I give it another font, for example this font named Abyss, that you can also have in the resources file. Let me increase the text size. I make it 54 and change the color to this one. I also center it from Arrange, then Align Center. Then I add a line from Insert, then choose the line. I press the Shift key to make the line straight. Then I center it and raise it with the arrow up key. I give it the same color as the above text. I copy this text by pressing the Ctrl key and dragging the object beneath. I go to Home, then change the font to Calibri Light. Make it italic and smaller. I give it the white color and write, for example, Your Awesome Tagline. Let's make the text smaller and centered. Now let's animate all these three elements. I'm gonna make this title to fly from upper right side and stop in the middle of the screen. So I go to Animations, then Fly In from top right. Make the duration 0.75 and the start with previous. And I want it to turn around at the same time. So I select again the title, then go to Add Animation, then go to More Entrance Effects and choose Swivel. I give the start with previous and 0.75 duration. Let's also see the animations pane. So the two animations will start and happen at the same time. After the title comes from the right side, let's see how it looks. So after the animations of the title, will follow the animations of the subtitle. I give it an animation from the More Entrance Effects and find Basic Zoom. OK. Then I go to Effect Options and give it the Out effect. So it's as if it would come from the outside. I make the start with previous, 0.50 duration and 0.50 delay. For the third animation, let's zoom in a little bit to see better and manage to select the line. I'll give it a split animation with vertical out effect. Start with previous and 0.75 delay. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks good. Now, we'll open the other PowerPoint presentation that we prepared in the previous video, the one with the bubbles. We use that one to shorten the preparation because here the bubbles and all their animations are ready.